Struggling to find Strikethrough in Smartsheet? Learn the exact 3-click method to cross out text instantly. First, open your sheet and select the cell. Then highlight the text and click the Strikethrough icon. Let's walk through each step. Start by navigating to the Smartsheet homepage, where all your sheets are listed. Then, open the sheet you want to work with by clicking on its name. Double-click the cell that contains the text you want to strike through. Now, highlight the specific text you want to strike through, just the words or characters you need. Click the Strikethrough icon on the formatting toolbar at the top of the sheet. The selected text will immediately appear with a line through it. If you don't see the formatting toolbar, expand the toolbar or switch to Grid View, where text formatting options are available. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.